AI is all that anyone can talk about, regardless of application. And in the case of the airline industry, AI is now bringing a new storm of innovation. From predicting weather cells to analyzing how fast an aircraft will break down, AI is being integrated across the airline industry. This is now reaching new levels, with some incredible new consumer features that will affect all travelers on the way. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Also, if you end up enjoying the rest of this video, hitting the like button would be appreciated. The first system at the forefront of the AI storm is Airbus's Skywise predictive maintenance system. This system, using machine learning techniques, will ingest thousands of data points from engine or general aircraft maintenance records and incidents. Then, based on such data, it will make detailed prediction on future fault points and can even generate unscheduled maintenance schedules depending on a specific aircraft's history. This may sound pretty basic, but for airlines that are simply following a routine schedule, using past unplanned maintenance as a data point can help keep aircraft scheduled and avoid unplanned groundings. Delta Airlines already employs a similar system through their Apex predictive engine. This system has already led to a significant reduction in Delta's maintenance-related cancellations. Cancellations are expensive for airlines, and any tool that reduces them is invaluable. Speaking of cancellations, another AI feature that many of us have already experienced is AI customer service tools. American Airlines employs this feature heavily, which most people do hate, but this feature has more functionality than an annoying chatbot. American Airlines uses this tool to automatically rebook passengers and suggest alternative flights through the app and messaging. This tool can be especially useful during extreme weather events, where the tool can recommend alternative routes that avoid severe weather disruptions. In essence, AI replaces the manual process of customer service agents combing through endless possibilities and instead transparently shows customers the best option automatically. AI is being used to also predict customers' consumption behaviors on airplanes. Using past data, some airlines are predicting the needed food, snacks, and drinks needed to minimize waste on airline services or even lounges. By using customer behavior from the past, airlines are able to effectively calculate customer tendencies, even specifying the time of day, season, or passenger volume as variables that affect needed supplies. This can definitely appear a bit dystopian, but of course, it's done to protect the environment, airlines would say. One of the most controversial AI tools, talking about controversy, is pricing. Many are concerned that airlines already employ AI pricing models to gouge prices based on consumer behavior. While Delta has denied using such a tool to US lawmakers, the question remains, is such a tool even feasible? In theory, airlines could use your personal cookies, including shopping data, to learn more about your spending behavior. Then, they'd increase or decrease prices dependent on several factors. For example, are you an impulsive spender, or will you shop around on different aggregators? Using AI, the airlines will cross-reference data points and create a personal data profile linked uniquely to your identity. Then, they could forever track your ticket purchases and adapt prices to maximize what the AI algorithm thinks you'll pay. This is clearly a concerning use of AI, and many lawmakers have sounded alarms to such tools. There are a variety of other tools also in development, whether that be crew management systems, flight simulator tools, or any type of system that can be aided by intelligent automation. What do you think of this type of implementation? Do you have a favorite of the ones I've mentioned? Let me know below in the comments. Also, if you're still watching and here in the first week after upload, hit the hype button to help this video reach more people. Also, I have a Discord server with fellow aviation enthusiasts, so feel free to join with the link in my description. With that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next.